Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up power, efficiency and performance mode in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now click on System and go to Power and Battery. Here you can see power mode. In the right corner you can see balanced. If you click here, you can find here three options. 1. Best power efficiency, 2. Balanced, and third one, best performance. If you select best power efficiency, a lot of power will be saved, but it definitely affects the performance of your laptop. Second is balanced. It will keep your laptop balanced. And third is best performance. While selecting this mode, your device performance is definitely gonna be increased, but this will definitely consume a lot of power also. So you can select your power mode depends on your need. So this is how you can set up power efficiency and performance mode in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.